Hi, today it's Monday, 6th of October 2014 and the time is 6:55 GMT. I'm Sofia Stavropoulou and this is a video with markets overview for as many pairs as I can have a look at. So I'm starting with Euro USD. I'm using Ichimoku Kinko-Hyo, Bollinger Bands, fractals, stochastics, and I have added PSAR, Parabolic Support and Resistance indicator. This is too much, but PSAR, being a lagging indicator, is a good tool to use for confirmation when you are not absolutely sure or market doesn't give you 100% if the other tools are a bit confusing. PSAR is the tool that gives you a clearer picture of the market's intentions at the moment. So on the H1 time frame, we see a very deep, after the very deep plunge, we see an effort for a correction. Looking for an entry, let's go to the daily. It's good to buy when the price is at the lower Bollinger Band, and that's what is happening here, but we can't be sure that the price won't go lower, and that's our main concern before we enter long. So stochastics for now say that the pair wants to go lower, although we have already a fractal, a down fractal on the lower Bollinger Band, but we don't have enough evidence. All the tools, the leading Kumo, PSAR, the price action, of course, with this big bearish candlestick here, everything says that the pair is in a bearish mood. Of course, this candlestick pattern down here looks quite bullish, but what we see from the daily is not enough to make a trading decision. So we go to H4. And we believe that it would be a very nice trade. The price will make an effort to approach the median Bollinger Band. So there are two scenarios. It will make an effort to approach the median Bollinger Band, and it will reverse from there and continue its fall after making this statistical validation move, or from there it will continue going upwards, making an effort for a bullish reversal. So if we are aggressive traders, we can look for signs to enter long, to buy and ride the trade all the way up to the median Bollinger Band, but placing our take profit target a few pips below the median Bollinger Band on H4 time frame at 1.2589 level, or even at 1.2580, and our stop loss probably 30-50 pips below the down fractal here. I guess there may be a risk for a spike, but I can't see it from here. But to take that trade, we have to get multiple confirmations to enter long from smaller time frames, because what we have on H4 is only a confirmation from stochastics, a down fractal on the lower Bollinger Band. These are not enough. So if we are aggressive and we want to enter long, to buy on the look in the picture of the H4, we will go to smaller time frames and make sure there are confirmations, and I will show you that in a minute. If we are conservative, we will wait to see what will happen as soon as the price reaches the median Bollinger Band, and we will decide then. If the price starts falling lower, we will enter short from the level of the median Bollinger Band on the H4. If the price continues going higher, we will consider entering long from the level of the median Bollinger Band. We will want to see a swing low below the median Bollinger Band, or a very strong cross of the median Bollinger Band in order to enter long. So let's see if a long entry for now is going to be justified by smaller time frames. So we see on the H1 time frame that we have two down fractals, two recent down fractals on the lower Bollinger Band. We have PSAR confirming the upward mood. We just had a strong bullish price Tenkan-sen cross, and at the same time the pair crossed the median Bollinger Band. But we see that the Bollinger Bands are in a contraction, and we are going to have an expansion, and since stochastics are approaching the 80 level line, there is a fear that this expansion may be downwards instead of upwards. So I would wait to see if the move will be really upwards, and with this big body of the bearish Kumo here, yes, the leading Kumo is a flat top belly down, which is a bullish reversal pattern, but will the price find the strength to go upwards for now? We will see. So we have to wait, and once we see a strong upward move on the H1 time frame and confirmed by stochastics are starting becoming more aggressively bullish here, then we will go to H4 and we will place our trade from there. So that's how things look like for now for Euro USD. And this is GBP USD. Let's have a look at the daily time frame after this big non-stop fall. We see that the candlesticks are giving us a potential bullish reversal pattern. Stochastics are struggling to reverse at the oversold zone. The leading Kumo and everything looks 1000% bearish, but the good trader is looking to buy when the price is at the bottom, and to sell when the price is at the top. So being good traders, we will patiently wait for a nice long entry. Now the picture from daily, other than the down fractal here, doesn't give us, and Siku span going upwards, doesn't give us any other sign for now. So we go down to smaller time frame, to H4, and on H4 we have the down fractal on the lower Bollinger Band and stochastics going upwards, but no other sign. All the other systems, the PSAR, everything, the Kumo, everything is bearish. So ideally we would like to see an upward move strong enough to give us to allow us to take a long trade at least till the median Bollinger Band on H4. I know this may be a very optimistic target, because the price may go up to Tenkan-sen and then reverse from continue its fall from there. It has happened when everything is so bearish like here, but we must wait. So H4 doesn't give us the confirmations we need. We need confluence. We need as many confirmations as possible for our entry. For our exit, one signal is enough, and we need to use the sensitive tool to cut our trades and to exit. Stochastics is a nice tool, and I use it in smaller time frames so I can save my pips. But for our entry, we always want as many confirmations as possible. 3, 4, 5, 10 confirmations from different tools. So let's go to H1 and see how things look there. So we see that on H1 the price, although it tried to go upwards, it made the bullish price Tenkan-sen cross. PSAR is bullish. We see stochastics aggressively going down, and the Bollinger Band's been in a contraction. Although we have the leading Kumo being a flat top belly down, which is a bullish reversal pattern, the body is so thick, and the price is going to cross. And the leading Kumo, although the leading Kumo is giving us a pattern, a flat top belly down pattern, the body of the Kumo is so thick and the stochastics are aggressively going down, so I wouldn't dare to think of entering long now, because the pair may keep falling with aggressively and going even lower. Okay, so wait is the word for now. And here we are looking at AUD USD. That's an even nicer picture for a bull. Okay, so on the daily we see that we had the down fractal on the lower Bollinger Band. Let me insert PSAR also, so we are in accordance to the previous charts. So we see the price going upwards, although stochastics still go down. We had the down fractal here. We have the bullish reversal candlestick pattern here on the daily. Chiku span goes up, but we don't have other confirmations because everything else looks bearish. So we go to the H4, and here we have to wait for prices interaction with the median Bollinger Band, because we can take the trade from now to the median Bollinger Band. Is very few pips, very small trade. Of course, 10 pips, 20 pips are fine if you want to enter now. So you can enter now, place your stop loss below this candlestick, the last candlestick, and your take profit target a few pips marginally at the median Bollinger Band. But it's better to wait to see the prices interaction with the median Bollinger Band, because there are two scenarios. One is that you may see a double top lower close. You may see a swing high above the median Bollinger Band, which is a bearish continuation pattern. If you see a bearish candlestick crossing and closing below the median Bollinger Band, it is a bearish continuation pattern. The price may not go very much lower. It may do some zigzags not below the level that it already has reached, but nevertheless that would be a short entry signal. So wait to see. Will you see a short entry signal for a few more pips for the price retesting the low levels that it has already reached, or will you see a strong cross above the median Bollinger Band? My opinion is that because we have the volume, we have the mass, the body of the Kumo here, the price will respect the lower border of the Kumo, and I like to think of the Kumo as a rock. That's what I say to my FX holics. Instead of a cloud, a rock, a solid rock. So the price will find difficulty to cross through the Kumo for now. It will go all the way respecting its lower border. Maybe when the leading Kumo will be very thin, the price will slowly try to corrupt the Kumo and to go inside it and try to go from the other side. So wait to see the interaction. It's a key point. If the interaction of the price action and the median Bollinger Band is bullish, then don't go for big trades yet, as the price is fighting with the Kumo. If it is bearish, take that trade, because the price may retest the lower levels before it going upwards again. So the key here is prices interaction with the median Bollinger Band on H4 time frame. And this is USD CAD. We see here that there is a very nice opportunity for a short entry on the daily. We already have this bearish reversal candlestick pattern, but this is not enough. We have an up fractal on the upper Bollinger Band, and we know that the good trader is looking to sell from tops and buy from lows. So we had the top. It's a very nice opportunity here, but we need multiple confirmations before we enter. So we go to H4. So here we have two up fractals on the upper Bollinger Band, Chiku span going down, the price going down, stochastics going down, but we don't have price and consent cross yet. Let's see if we have more. We have nice confirmations here on the H1, and we also see that PSAR is giving us short entry signals, and the Bollinger Bands are in a contraction, and we expect an expansion. And guess where the price will go? It will go down. So yes, go back to H4, enter short, place your take profit target a few pips, just a few pips above the median Bollinger Band on H4. It will definitely reach that point, if not going lower. It may go even lower, but for now be conservative, and your stop loss a few pips above the upper fractal here, the higher fractal of the two. How many? 30 to 50, because this is a crazy pair, it makes spikes. And I guess because it is going to be you are going to finish with this trade in a few hours, monitor the trade from your mobile or from anywhere you can, even if you are at work, only for the case of your stop loss. Otherwise everything looks bearish, and that's a nice little trade. It may become a big short trade, but for now go for pips chunks, and the price going down to the median Bollinger Band is more than possible. And this is USD JPY. What do we have here? We see on the daily time frame, let me add PSAR. I know it gives you on the nerves, but I don't care. So everything, we have multiple confirmations for a short entry here. Up fractal on the upper Bollinger Band, we said the good trader is selling from the tops and buying from the lows. So multiple confirmations. Let's see. Up fractal on the upper Bollinger Band, bullish bearish reversal candlestick pattern here, very strong. PSAR is giving us already a sell signal, but stochastics are going upwards. So let's go to the H4. On the H4 we see stochastics going downwards, so and we have all this bearish picture here. So it looks like the pair wants to go lower, it wants to make its correction, and let me see if this entry, I guess it will go at least down to the median Bollinger Band. So place your take profit target at the median Bollinger Band at 109.20 price level. Your stop loss were above the body of this candlestick or at the opening of the previous one, and see what will happen when the price reaches the median Bollinger Band. see what will happen, because there may be some fluctuation before it continues lower. So um, unless you want to wait and see the prices interaction with the median Bollinger Band and make your trading decisions after that. And this is Euro JPY, the daily time frame. The pair, after making the strong upward move, it made this deep downward move, and it is flirting again with the 137 price level, the 137.0. So although we have the down fractal here on the lower Bollinger Band, we don't have, and stochastics fighting to give to become bullish, to reverse. They are indecisive. And being a good trader, we are looking to buy at the lows and sell on the highs. So here it is a very nice low, but we have to wait. The daily doesn't give us enough confirmations yet. On the H4, although we also had this down fractals, PSAR is below the price, we don't have enough confirmations. Stochastics are still bearish, and the price is marginally close to the PSAR dot. And although the leading Kumo is becoming thinner, and it was a flat top, belly down, starting to become thinner, and we see an effort of the price to stop the fall and reverse, we don't have clear signals to enter yet. So wait. And on the H1, even on the H1, we don't have confirmations for a long entry yet. Not even on the M30, not even on the M15. So wait to see what? Okay, you want to see the price reaching the median Bollinger Band on H1, reaching the median Bollinger Band on H1, and being strong enough to go above it. If it goes above the median Bollinger Band on H1, which will be the 137.30 price level, something like that, that will be a signal to look for a long entry if everything keeps being bullish on all time frames down to M1. Wait to see a strongly bullish picture on H1, and when you see that on H1, go to H4 and look for a long entry, although the first distance price has to cover is to the median Bollinger Band on H4, and then from that point we will see if it will find the strength to go higher. If you want to make a short entry, you must make it from the median Bollinger Band on the H4 or the H1. Don't enter short now. We never enter short from the lower Bollinger Band when the price is at the lower Bollinger Band. Wait for a correction. It will happen, and you will see if this is a correction or if this is a reversal, and you will decide. You will have a clearer picture when the price reaches the median Bollinger Band on H1.